Aloha, I am Trinity and I am your forever agent on the beautiful island of Maui. Welcome to VIP Trinfinity, where dreams become reality. Today, we are diving deep into one of the biggest secrets of developing generational wealth that no one talks about: real estate. It is not just for wealthy people or investors. It can be for anyone, including you. Let's start with a simple fact. More millionaires have been made simply through the investment of real estate than any other investment class there is. You can turn your life around by simply investing small amounts of money into real estate investments. Just in 2023, despite global economic challenges, the US housing market added $1.5 trillion in home equity. Now let's look at what appreciation means in the real estate industry. In real estate, appreciation means that your property grows in value over time. And here's a statistic that will absolutely blow your mind. Since January 2023, home prices in the US have risen by a whopping 5%. That is just the average. If you're considering Maui real estate, we're looking at about a 10% increase year to year. And that is even with all the uncertainty in the real estate market. The house that you buy today can be worth thousands of more dollars in just a few years. Imagine buying a $300,000 property today, and in just 2 years, that property being worth more than $350,000. And that's even with you taking out a mortgage and all of these other factors that are implemented in the real estate industry. You will still be walking away with more cash in your pocket. And that's not all. Let's talk about leverage. With real estate, you do not have to put down the full amount for the property when you buy it. Most people put down 3 to 20% just for the down payment. We must break free from that fear and realize that we are investing in our futures, in our wealth, and in our peace. So do not let the fear of big numbers not being in your bank account anymore stop you from buying a home. You won't think about it in 5 years when you sell your home for 2 times the amount you bought it for, right? So essentially, you are controlling a $300,000 asset with only putting $15,000 of your own money in there, appreciating in value and growing over time while you get to enjoy the comfort and peace in your own home. All right, now let's talk about one of my favorite things: passive income. When you own a rental property, your tenants are essentially paying your mortgage for you. Imagine this: every month you receive a check from someone that is paying your rent for you. You're paying down the loan, building equity, and putting some extra cash in your pocket. It will bring more money into your pocket. In 2023, the average rent for a single family home hit $2,100 a month in rent. Now let's say that your mortgage payment is $1,500, right? That extra $600 is just for you. When you begin investing in real estate, you begin to understand the minds of millionaires. Rent is not going to ever come down. It will continue and continue to increase. So it is smart to get your foot in the door, learn about investing in real estate, and then start applying it to your life, your wealth, your future, and your dreams. Third, in real estate, you get some serious tax benefits. One big one is depreciation. What is depreciation? This allows you to deduct a portion of your property's value over time from your taxes. Even though it's likely increasing in value, the government sees you owning a home as valuable. So you get to get that tax break and home exemption. For example, in 2023, the IRS still allows real estate investors to depreciate residential properties over 27 and a half years, which can lead to tens of thousands of dollars in deductions. That is money in your pocket that you get to keep. Number 4, we have risks to consider, but please do not be scared. Fear is the key to transformation. So allow that feeling to come inside your body and let it go, because the only fear that exists is within your mind. So let's talk about the risks. Real estate is not all sunshine and rainbows, trust me. Like any investment, it does have its risks, and I am here to be transparent and honest with you. There can be unexpected maintenance costs, just like unexpected bills every month, market downturns, or let's face it, difficult tenants. But here is the key. If you do your homework, do your research, manage your properties well, and play the long game, you can ride out most of life's storms. Take the 2020 pandemic, for example. While some markets saw temporary declines and people gave up, many others bounced back stronger than ever because they did not allow fear to run their lives. In fact, by mid-2021, the median home price in the US surged over 15% and inventory became very, very limited, meaning that the home prices continued to surge over time, proving that real estate is remarkably resilient. 5. Let's get into how to get started no matter where you're at. The first thing you need to do is take some time to research and educate yourself. It does not matter if you're starting with $50,000 or $5,000. Knowledge is power. The more confident you feel about the investments you are making, the more they will produce great results for you. Just like anything in life. Check out free resources like podcasts. I will link a couple down below. Sharran, president of Real, is absolutely great. He offers a free business school podcast. You just have to know the right resources and take the time to really dive in and learn and educate yourself. Wake up every day with the desire to learn and you will become unstoppable. Check out YouTube channels and articles from real estate experts. Just trust the process, embrace the process, and continue to have a desire to learn. Real estate is one of the most powerful tools that you can utilize today to begin your path to financial freedom and build generational wealth for you and your loved ones. The key is to just start, no matter how small. If you are serious about growing your wealth, real estate is your golden ticket. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Unseen AI Approach, where we went over all the ways real estate helps to build wealth. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Please schedule a consultation with me. I would absolutely love to connect and help you build a future that lights your heart on fire together.